Hello, I'm Kylie, and today I'm going to show you how to email through your students through Google Classroom. And so right now I am on my Stream, my homepage, and so what you would need to do is to go over to your people. On this page, you can see that there are the teachers and then there's students. And so today I'm going to teach you how to email your students, and there are 3 different ways that you can email your students. First one, if you would like to email all of your students at once, the entire class, you can go right here by this actions and click on that box, and it highlights all of your students on your roster. And from there, under actions, now you can click on it, and it says email, and it just pops up another new window, and it will take you and it'll generate and compose an email for you. And I have 4 students, so we will see that there are 4 email addresses here. My technology seems to be a little slower this evening. And there it is. Also, if you would like to email a student specifically, perhaps I want to email 2 students out of my entire class, I can click on those 2 students, and from there I can go back up to that actions and say email. And for the sake of time, I won't click that, but again, it'll generate a new window and you will be able to email from there. The last way that you can email students is, let's say I'm going to email a student individually. I can go to that individual student, come over to the right side of the screen, and those 3 dots, click on that, and it just simply says email student. And from there, I will get just that one student, and I'll be able to email her individually. So that is the 3 different ways that you can email your students. Enjoy!